In the recent days, we have seen what AI is capable of. With so many frontier models and reasoning models, the AI is not only becoming smarter and smarter, it's also getting cheaper and cheaper. We have all seen that many tasks AI does far better than we would do it on our own. Now the question is, will AI take our jobs? According to a recent reports from World Economic Forum, there are 39% of the current skills are going to get obsolete in next 5 years. That's a shockingly large number of skills. Okay, and what AI is doing is it's not replacing all the jobs, but it is changing the way we do our job. What it means is, irrespective whether AI is going to take your job or not, a person who knows AI will definitely do. So it is inevitable that we need to upskill ourselves. It's not just upskilling, we need to also change our mindset to adapt to this world of AI. So this session is not about fear, it's about action. Here is my pro tip to not just survive, but thrive in the age of AI. P is position with purpose, R is reskilling to stay ahead, and O is own your future. Let's look at position with purpose. In Simon Sinek's book, Start With Why, he talks about the importance of why, finding your why. A lot of organization success become very successful because they start from why. It's like in and out principle. And when they have a very strong why, there is very possibility that the business will be successful. But most of us, we are stuck in what? We are in the outside. So many of us know what we do. Not many of us really have spent time to look into why and how we do what we do. Okay? And this is very relevant to the current AI age. If you ask someone, what do? You might get some response. I am a software developer. I build application software for my client. Or you might hear, I am a marketing associate. I build ad campaigns for my clients. Or I am a customer support executive. I answer my customers' queries. So this is what you do. But if you look at it, AI has the capability to replace that. Recently, I built an entire app using vibe coding without even writing a single line of code. I used Replit. I provided the prompt, and Replit created me an entire React front-end application. I didn't even have to install any assemblies. It did all the build, test, and it deployed to production, and it provided me a public URL. So if you are a developer, you build software, AI is doing that already. Recently, I had to generate an ad campaign to my wife's property business. And I asked Manus AI, which is a Chinese agentic AI, to build me an ad campaign. It not only created a scroll-stopping Facebook ad, it also provided me a 30-page lead magnet, which I can include in my sales funnel to generate the leads. So this is the job of a marketing associate, and this is already being done by AI. And we all have seen that the customer support is already being driven mostly by robots now. Even the telephonic conversation, you can have the AI speak to you and the human voice, and also it has got the human sentiments. So all these jobs, okay, when you're focusing on what is in danger of losing, okay, we need to go beyond that. We need to go from inner out. We need to redefine our why. So my why is to provide 10x transformational growth to my customers using the latest and greatest software. So if you look at it, I'm still building software for my clients, but my focus is to provide 10x growth to my customers. And with that why in my mind, I can redefine my whole way of approaching the problem changes. the way I design my architecture or the way I build the software is going to change. And that's the power of why. It is the time I invite you to redefine your why. Make sure it aligns with your organization's vision, and also it aligns with your client's vision. Okay, so that is positioning with purpose. And the second thing is reskill to stay ahead. As I mentioned, the way of working is changing, so you need to adapt to that. If you're a developer, if you had to before the AI, you had to create an entire empty project and you define the tech stack and then you start coding from scratch. But now you don't have to do that. You can use co-pilots like GitHub Copilot or any coding software to do this. You can do the vibe coding. So these are different ways you need to adapt to change the way you're working. Instead of focusing on developing something, you can focus on the problem statement, how you can make the journey better. So that is the focus. So it needs a lot of reskilling. It's not just that there are many tools out there in the market which can solve any problem. So you don't have to just stick to Microsoft or AWS or Google platform to provide a solution. Just be open and learn about everything around. So that is the reskilling. And the next one is own your future. Okay, with a lot of uncertainties now in the market, it is the political uncertainty. There is an uncertainty in the alignment with AI. A lot of our customers are already thinking about the value of AI, looking at whether it is safe to use, and the consultancies are already working on reskilling their workforce, and also think about how the productivity tools can reduce the estimates, and there are a lot of things, alignment going on right now, and that is again creating a lot of uncertainty in the business, and you might lose a job. That is also possible right now. But on a brighter side, if you look at, there are a lot of small and medium businesses are looking for AI solution. They have something in their mind, they have been sold into AI, but they don't know how to proceed, and this is the opportunity you need to seize. You need to speak to the small and medium businesses around you and identify the tools which can solve their problem and bring them together. And this helps you in improving your problem solving ability. And also, if at the time of uncertainty you have something to do, if you lose your job, you will still not lose your hope. You can still survive, and that's where you have to own your future now. And that's my pro tip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next podcast.